What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. Tonight I'm going to be installing on my 2024 roadglide something that my wife has been asking me for months to try to do for her. Now my wife and I do a lot of two-up long distance riding. She's always been asking me for something that's going to help her be a little bit more comfortable on those long rides. And I haven't seen anything yet for the 23.5 to the 2025 touring models yet. So I'm going to see if something fits from Harley from the older models, see if they're going to fit on the new 2023.5 to 25 touring models. It's right over there. So here it is, guys. I'm going to be installing the Tour Pack passenger armrest. Now on Harley's website it says for the 2014 to 24 models. However, it says that it doesn't fit the 23.5 to 25 models whenever you go in and specifically put your bike in. So all you're going to need is two ratchets. You're going to need your 11 mil socket, your 3/16 Allen socket, some Loctite, and the retaining screws. So over on the bike, only thing we gotta take off from underneath is there is 4 nuts underneath to remove the Tour Pack. And then the plate's gonna go on top of the bracket, set the Tour Pack back on it, and tighten down the nuts. Alright. So first, take off 4 nuts. So after you have your 4 nuts taken off from underneath, take your Tour Pack, and right off the bracket. Now you're left with the bracket itself. Over here has an L for your left side, an R for your right side. Next, you're just going to line up the bracket, make sure all the holes fit. And then you get our retaining screws, ratchet, and our armrest. Next, just going to put the armrest inside the bracket and line up your retaining screws. So once you have your armrest put in and you have your 2 retaining pins in, just put the Tour Pack back inside the 4 holes on the bracket. So an easy way to keep this bracket down is to turn your armrest, if you have a backrest, put it up against it, plate doesn't come up. It makes it a whole lot easier to put your Tour Pack back on. Just like that. Back on. Now, all you gotta do, take the 4 nuts and washers that are underneath the Tour Pack, screw them back on. Okay, guys, super easy to install. you're looking for more comfort for your passenger, definitely go on to Harley and get a pair if you have the 23.5, 25 touring models. They do fit. No matter what the website says, whenever you go and put your specific bike in there, and it says this does not fit the specific bike, it will fit the 23.5, 25 touring models. Now, let's go see what my wife thinks. You want to come see your surprise?
Yes.
All right, what do you think it is? First off, what do you think it is?
A surprise from me.
Something for the bike.
It has to be my cup holders.
Cup holders. We'll see.
It has to be my cup holders. It's my armrest. Do you have cup holders? I'm just honest.
What do you think?
I love them. I'm excited. I'm excited for a ride on Sunday.
So, if you're looking for passenger armrests for 23.5 to 25 touring models, I will go ahead and link the product in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you subscribe. Ride safe.